So it's the idea that I have for the machine, so I have to follow this. Go when we come like this, you come from this side and that all these switches and go to this supply, power supply, and then to the main board. Here we also have some point sources for other devices that we don't know now, but still we put it now. I'm trying to make the wiring good. So now this can stay here. So this the thing that I want to fix. Yeah, this one I think I have to make a little bit bigger. So yeah, a little bit bigger. I have to open the wall. Actually, it's not a good way to open, but there's no way, no other way to make this normal. So I think this is enough. Yes. So making this using this to cup. So we have to make this close. So now the press is done. It's not a real tool, but I don't have the real tool for this, so we have to insert here. So and then we close. Oops, this on the side. This screwdriver. Oh, we need a small one. I have to change these two. Yeah, I have it here. The small one. Close. Close. So we have this fixed. Now we know how the coin come through this. When we go here, we need this for the frame, to make the frame. So actually we need two. One for the frame, the second one for so the printer is the power supply is already there. Now this is the main board that I want to fix. This main board is called Dread 3D, Dread Wi-Fi, Dread Wi-Fi, like you want. So I use these things, this small string, to fix like this, so this should not touch the plate, so there will be a little bit air flowing from here, flow in this place, so that we can have this cooling system. Now the things we have to fix like this. And here we also mount a fan to cool this place down. So I think it's better to have it in the middle. Yeah. So yeah, it's better here, or it's better to have it this like this. So if we in the future, if you want to make the screen, we just plug it here, and yeah. So I will score those years here. We will score it here, and it's the way we done. Yeah, I think so. So we have 2 steppers here. We also have 1 steppers here. Here, up here, we have 1 stepper here. We also have 1 here, but here this will be like a big wire moving. This is fixed. This is with motion. So it's better to have each side. So we need few cables. Good. Yeah. Let me fix that. I will come back. So today I got the bed heater. Let us unbox. This is the bed heater. This is the bed heater. This is the cover. Yeah, the cover, the sensor. This is the cover and the sensor connector. So let me open. This is the bed heater. This is the size. This is the size. So and this is the back side. Now the top side. So it should be like this. Screws. Yeah. Then this is the kind of sensor, but it's blue. Look little bit damage, but everything is fine. No. Everything is fine. What's on? Don't touch. This is the connector. This is the thing to switch between 25 and 12 volts. So yeah, it's rated here 24 hours already. And this is the cable. So oh shit, I should not put it on this side, so I cannot damage this thermistor. Yeah, this is what I got. This is the box I got today. This is the cable. Let us open. This is the heater, the extruder inward extruder. So for 2 colors. This is the fan. This is the second one. This is the extruder head with different size. So yeah, it's in this box. So this is the heater. Is the heater. So all together.